To purchase robots using a certain digital currency, it's essential to have both a digital currency account and a paper bank account ready, as direct transactions are not supported. First, ensure that both accounts are prepared for the transaction. Next, transfer funds using the digital currency by opening the app, choosing the recipient account, entering the desired amount, and completing the transaction to guarantee a successful transfer. Once the funds have been transferred, use them by checking if the digital currency transfer amount has arrived in the paper account. If necessary, move the paper balance to a linked bank account. Then, open a Roblox account on roblox.com. Click the icon in the top right corner. Select the desired number of robots to purchase, and choose the paper account as the payment method. Finally, confirm the purchase to complete the transaction. This method allows for the purchase of robots using the digital currency.